Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Inta Yuliana. I am from class 3B. Okay, here I will explain a little about the influence of technology in today's life. Well, in my opinion, the influence of technology is twofold, positive and negative. In this video, I will explain the influence of technology. Okay friends, watch the following video. The side of the impact that we will discuss. First is the positive impact given by technological developments in our daily lives. Some of the effects of technological developments that can be said to be positive are as follows. Simplify and streamline the process of exchanging information, improve work efficiency and effectiveness, enables fully online learning, can communicate with other people even though they are not in the same location. Negative impact of technological development. The positive impact felt by the development of technology can simplify and increase the comfort of our lives. However, there are some negative effects of technological development if not used wisely. In my opinion, the impacts of advanced technology is twofold. Some are good and some are bad. Here I will explain according to my knowledge the good and bad effects of the technology. Now, everything has become easier and faster with the help of technology. Technology is the entire means to provide the goods needed for the survival and comfort of human life. The use of technology by humans begins with the change of complex tools into simple tools. For example, in the past we used typewriters, but now technology has made it simpler and more comfortable. Another example, in everyday life, we have taken advantage of this technological advancement, such as mobile phones. In the past, the function of a telephone was only limited to making calls and sending a short message. With technological advances, now the function of cell phones is not just to call someone and send short message, but can replace computer function such as browsing the internet and sending email. Even cell phones can replace cameras for photo and record videos. The quality itself is not inferior to the original camera. From this example, it is clear that technology is very helpful for use. With existing mobile phone technology, we no longer need to carry a laptop and camera because some of the uses of these devices are already on our cell phones that we always carry wherever we go. Thanks to these technological advances, our daily activities have become lighter. This can also be felt when we do financial activities. No, we don't need to come to the place to take care of it directly. Some of the negative impacts of technological developments can be seen below. make an addition to the gadget you have, and the application in it reduces socialization between humans because they are too focused on themselves interacting with technology. The increasing number of unemployed because more companies are using technology than humans. Well, friends, that was the positive impact of technology, and now I will continue to explain a little bit of the negative impacts of technology in this day and ask some individuals may be too overlooking using their gadgets. Wherever and wherever the individual is, he will not be separated from his cellphone. Plus, now we have entered the smartphone era. So many things can be done in one hand. In addition, children are increasingly addicted to the video games today because game player hardware such as laptops and desktop are increasingly sophisticated, such as the emergence of increasingly attractive game consoles, tablets, and smartphones that can play high-end games. For example, in this is this normal? Let's compare it with looking back 12 years. There are still many children who are more involved with outdoor activities, such as sports and playing in the park. In addition, there are also many parents who invite their children to do outdoor activities together, and people's need for cell phones has not been filled. All of these things make people focus more on their activities and not while looking at the latest status updates on their smartphones. If you look at the comparison above with today increasingly sophisticated technological developments, it can be said that it has a bad impact on information that is not true and the source is not clear, such as the dissemination of misleading information and too much information being discussed. Even though it is not necessarily useful for those who read it. This caused is reception of information to be overloaded information or information overload because we are forced to accept it from every information we process. It would be nice if in this era of globalization and increasingly sophisticated technology, we as connoisseurs of technology as well as users are wiser in using and applying technology needs in our lives. For parents, it's okay to give your child a console or video game hardware, but increase the amount of time you spend with them. For example, by doing activities outside the home to just play or exercise. So that will be a harmonious relationship between parents and children will express themselves more than they do all day in front of a video game console. All of that now depends on each individuals because only you can control yourself from the increasingly mushrooming technology. Okay, maybe that's all I can explain. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.